students of the world, welcome to the Academy of Hargeisa Universalis School of Mathematics. This is your lecturer, Mustafa Aw-Abdi, Chancellor of Hargeisa, Academia Hargeisa Universalis, the first international online and YouTube distance learning university in Somaliland, based in Hargeisa, Somaliland's capital city, by way of our AHU headquarters. And today in Masala, I will be the lecturer for the object. A mathematical object is an abstract, unchanging intensity designed to study of mathematics. Studies fundamental knowns of mathematical learning instruments. They need not exist in the physical world, but is treated as having infinite abilities of the divine relations to other objects within a central economic system. This is a great lecture for students in maths, and for more lectures of the university, follow me to YouTube. Click subscribe, click the like button, ring the notification bell, and write down the comments below about your progress in the university. So, enjoy the lecture. A mathematical object is an abstract concept arising in mathematics. Typically, a mathematical object can be a value that is assigned to a symbol and therefore can involve formulas and can into numbers, including shapes, sizes, and shapes. Mathematical objects can be valid complex. For example, theorem proofs and involving formulas. Online improve theory. In first, in mathematics, the concept of mathematical objects generally on topics is used in identity and reality. In metaphysics, philosophy debate whether mathematical objects can outside of human thought of the existence is dependent on mental construct of language. Objects can range from the concrete, such as physical objects, usually studied in mathematics, to abstract study in pure mathematics. One construct constitutes an object is foundational to many areas of philosophy and ontology, to epistemology. In mathematical objects are often seen as entities that exist independently of the physical world, raising questions about the school studies. There are various schools of thought that are different perspectives on the matter, and many mathematicians and philosophers each have differing opinions, which is more correct.